She tried opening someone's door. He stole her package.
Hey, motherfucker, you want to bring that back? Hey! Hey!
You are currently being recorded.
Hey, motherfucker, you want to bring that back? Hey! Hey! I see you!
You are currently being recorded.
Never leave your food waiting outside for too long?
No, do
When
you
a
know
random
me?
person sits on
Do
your
you know
porch.
me? Do you know her? Do you know me? No, do you know her?
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
I don't.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, I just left work and I need to take a break. I'm hot.
Why are you taking it right there?
Cause that's cool shade right here. Why you bothering me?
Can you get on my porch, please?
I cannot. I'm hot. I'm burning up, and this call police. They'll trespass me when they get here.
Okay, no, you stay there. I give me 2 minutes. I'm up the street. I got something better than the police, okay?
Okay, great. Get here fast.
Okay. No, I'm on my way. You just sit right there, okay? Stay
I'm
right
gonna stay
there.
right here.
Okay, King. Stay right there. I got a good...
Okay,
Huh?
don't lie now and tell them I'm trying to break in the house now. Don't do that.
I might tell you a joke, but I'll never tell you a lie. Stay right there, bitch. I'm on
Do
the
you
way.
know me? Yeah, do you know me though? Cause you don't know what's going on. That's how people get f***ed up. You don't know what's going on. No, do you know me? Do you know me? Do you know her? Do you know me? No, do you know her? Do you know her, man? Can you please leave me alone? Huh? No, stay right there. No, you ain't gotta leave me alone. Yeah. Stay right there.
My name is Don't Play By Me, James.
Say what? What you said? You know him?
Huh? Oh my God.
I'm trying to figure out what's up with him. Do you know me? You don't know what the fuck they got going on. You don't know if I'm here to y'all or what.
Hey,
You don't know what's going on. No, y'all know him.
Huh? Man,
We don't know. I'm f***ing with you. We don't know.
that's my neighbor. My neighbors don't play by me.
Well, I don't care what about who your name play by. I'm talking to you.
My neighbors don't play. You know when he got that motherfucking fanny pack bag. So uncle got something in there. So you pump f***ing.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'll catch you next time. I'm cool though.
I'm on the way. Stay right there. No, stay Come back.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
This is definitely going to hurt. When the driving instructor backs into your car. Just watch this. This guy didn't notice the moose.
Hi. You are currently being recorded. You are currently being recorded.
He was playing his music too loud.
The dude above you hates you. Bro, I'm at...
Hi. Please wait. It may take me a moment to answer.
Dude, your music is so loud, man. It's shaking my wall. Are you serious? Yes, dude. Like, my wife gets up at 4 a.m. I'm sure the dude above you hates you. Bro, I'm at volume 23. Turn it down. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sure, like, people around you, like, are pissed. Like, do you not care if the cops will call the cops on you? No, not at all. Like, come on, man. My wife gets up at 4 a.m. Like, it's just thumping my wall. I don't know that, bro. I'm sorry. It's just... I'm sorry. I'm just working. It just seems too loud. I'm sorry. Dude, it's like, it's shaking my wall. I don't know how it is. It is. I'm at volume 23, and you said that was okay. I'm just telling you, like, every, 5 minutes, it just gets louder. I haven't even turned it off. I got 2 rain counts on my dude. It's just like... I'm sorry. I'm doing this all the time, man. I try to be as nice as I can. I understand that. I'm sorry. Before you even go to bed, she's going to be up. Come on, man.
He tried to break in. I think the dog is a little excited.
Daisy! Hello. Sorry.
Daisy. Wow.
I can't.
Daisy. That was insane. Oh my god.
Why are you like this?
Stay safe out there. She stole a pair of shoes. This man completed the delivery and stole the food. He was a bit confused.
What the fuck is up? What is going on? What is going on?
To answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What the fuck's going on? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is up?
You are currently being recorded.